Hi guys, hi everyone. I finished 4 days of fasting, which was 2 days ago, and the last day, I have to say, I found it more difficult than 3 other days. So I lost a bit of energy, but then when you do it, we've got a solution, and the solution is the product which is called H500. This is antioxidant. It looks like that, so you can support yourself with this product during the detox. So I was taking this, and on the next day I had also some purification, so I was supporting myself with this. What was happening, I was going more often to the toilet, and this what was getting out of my body, I would compare into snake, because yeah, it did look like this. It still looked like that, so some snakes getting out of my intestine, my digestive system, and I have to say it's very interesting, so nothing too afraid of. So yeah, 2 days ago I get back to eat, and I've started with the steamed veggies like broccoli, carrot, green beans, stuff like that, actually whatever you choose, without any salt, any pepper. You can add some herbs to your meal, but don't eat eggs, milk, bread, stuff like that. So so far so good. I feel great. I start taking since yesterday supplements from the box 3. This is the box, and still I do continue until tomorrow to take them, and then actually tomorrow it's the last day of the restoration process. So this is the third phase of this 2 weeks program, 14 days. So yeah, at the moment I'm in Prague. Tomorrow Choral Club convention starts, so I feel very excited. I'm going to meet people who I actually met on Facebook, so I cannot wait. It's going to happen today. Some of them I'm going to meet today, and the rest of the people tomorrow, so expect some videos and pictures, so on my channel, Coral Vitality, and also on my personal profile it will be there. So this is it. Yeah, the detox process has been done, and what I want to add is I was measuring myself around my waist, and from 88, where is the belly button, from 88 centimeters, at the moment I got into 84, so it's like 4 centimeters less, and I'm still in that process. So I think I'm going to lose even more, and this is actually amazing to know, to be aware that I clean my body from the toxins and from unwanted rest of the food, whatever I was eating or drinking. It get rid of my body. So yeah, the feeling is great. All right, take care. Thanks for watching and speak to you soon. Bye.